Hello everyone. I received a few emails from some of you about having some trouble with drawing the structures for the homework problems. So what I wanted to do is for us to go through one of the problems together and see if we can do it, and hopefully we'll be able to help you with drawing structures for future homework. So this is question number 6 on the most recent homework for alkenes and alcohols. So the problem here is this reaction, this addition reaction, where we're adding chlorine to this alkene that has a double bond between carbon number 1 and carbon number 2. And of course, what's going to happen is that one of these chlorines will go to this carbon and the other one will go to the other carbon in the alkene. And don't forget, of course, in the process we will convert this double bond into a single bond. So we can start by clicking on Edit Structure, and that will open the ChemDraw App tool. And the first thing that I would like to do is convert this double bond into a single bond. So we can start by using the single bond tool and draw a bond between those two carbons right here. This will be a CH2, so we can write it out as CH2, and that's when we use the text tool, or A, and wait until the blue box appears and then click on it and type in CH2, enter. This will be surrounded by a red box because it's telling us that this carbon is missing some bonds. It has an incorrect number of bonds, which is true because we only have one bond going this way and then two hydrogens. We're missing one bond, and that's going to come from the chlorine. So we can use the single bond tool to draw a bond from this carbon to the chlorine, and we can use again the text tool to type in Cl. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that you are clicking on the correct thing. You have to wait until you see that blue box appear. On this side of the molecule we have this CH group right here, which will have a chlorine attached to it. So again, click on the blue box at the end of the bond, type in CH, enter, and then we're going to attach our chlorine to the carbon. So I wait until that blue box appears on the carbon, click on the bond and drag it down or up, doesn't really matter, and then go to the end of the line and type in Cl. Now we have to finish the rest of the molecule, which is unchanged, and that's this group right here, CH3, CH2. I don't know why it says triple bond here, but CH3, CH2 is what we need to attach to the CH group. So again, it's a single bond from this carbon out to the CH2 group, so we can type in our CH2 right here, enter, and then from the CH2 we need to attach our final group, which is this CH3 right here, and that's when we click on here using the text button and type in CH3, and that should be the correct answer. So let's see if that's what the computer thinks. So we can check our work, and it looks like it's correct. So hopefully this helps you with drawing the structures, and hopefully help you with some tips on how to draw the structures correctly. The key here also is using, what works for me best is Google Chrome. That's the browser. So hopefully that all of this will help you. And if you have any problems, please email me or come to my office. See you in class.